Alright guys, welcome to the new series cooking class. So today I'm going to be making these gluten-free peanut butter banana pops. So it contains vanilla chex, peanut butter, bananas, peanuts, and it says craft sticks, but I don't have popsicle sticks. So I've got my peanut butter here, my banana, half of it, and then what I'm doing to mash the peanut butter, I've got it in there, and then the chex up. I'm dumping it in this Ziploc. I'll get air out, zip it up, and I take the plastic out of this out and then mash it up. I think that might be mashing the chex a little too well. There we go, I think that's good. There we go. Then we take the banana and our peanut butter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it in it. I think that would work, I don't know. This is my first time making it. There we go. Advice, use gloves when handling peanut butter with your hands. Yeah. I think that's good. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle this on top. Probably not the best idea. I should probably run it underwater. Here we go. Off. Alright, now sprinkle. Make sure I think we should get more peanuts. Where would the peanuts be? You didn't know I love peanuts, especially peanut butter. Here. Time for mashing, round 2. Now against peanuts. I think that's good. Man, the chex is mostly crumbs in here. So I'm going to sprinkle it. This looks so good. If you think this looks good, make sure to like this video. I apologize if you're allergic to peanuts. Oh yeah. The goodness. Now I'm going to take a fork, eat it. This looks so good. This is my first time making this, so I have no idea what the results are going to be. This is so good! Leave a like this video if you think this is good. By the way, y'all should try it at home. Oh, good.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and as always, yeet!